Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll be walking you through the rework process I completed on the Hot Toys DX38 Captain Jack Sparrow. I previously finished the neutral expression faceplate, and in this video, I'll be focusing on the smiling expression. For this rework, I swapped in the eyes from the DX19, increased the overall head width, added accurate shading under the eyes, contoured the sides of the nose, and refined the mustache to achieve a fuller, more screen-accurate look. This is the neutral expression that I did previously. I'm using this on DX19 body. Here is the smiling head before any rework. As you can see, the eye color is too light, so I'll be swapping in the eyes from the DX19. DX19 eyes and DX38 eyes side by side. Let's start with the process. First, I'm opening the small screws on the back of the DX19 faceplate to remove the eyes. After removing the screws, pull the back section from the neck peg to separate the two faceplate pieces. Now, the eyes can be removed. Just pull the eyes out with tweezers. Removing the DX38 eyes. For this head, you don't need to separate the faceplate. Just pull the eyes out with tweezers. Now I'm installing DX19 eyes into DX38 faceplate. For this step, you can use cotton or soft tissue paper as I'm using here. Push tissue gently in the both sides of the faceplate. This widens the face for a better look. Let's install the hairpiece to see how it looks. See? Already looks much better. For paints, I'm using Vallejo dark brown shade, thinned with airbrush thinner to make a wash. The paint must be thin. First, I'm shading under the eyes to match the darker shade similar to the makeup in the movies. Next, contouring and shading on the sides of the nose. Now, reshaping and thickening the mustache, covering more of the lip and under the nose. Adding slight dark shade to the eyebrows. Here is the final result of the repaint. Please share your thoughts in comments how both of these turned out. I'm swapping the smiling head onto the DX19 body and the neutral head onto the DX32 body. And that wraps up the tutorial part of the video. But don't sail off just yet. If you'd like to see a full showcase of the finished head sculpt and my Jack Sparrow display setup, stick around. I promise it's worth the treasure. Thanks for watching. I hope this breakdown of the DX38 rework was helpful. If you enjoyed the video or found it useful, feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'll see you in the next one.